Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Smart Education Tech. Today we are diving into a fundamental concept in Java tokens. If you are learning Java, understand tokens is essential because they form the building blocks of every Java program. So let's get started. In Java, a token is the smallest element that a program can understand. These tokens include keywords, identifier, literals, operators, and special symbols. Let's break them down step by step. Tokens are the smallest unit in Java program. There are four types of tokens in Java: keyword, identifiers, literals, operators. Key, Keywords in Java. Keywords are the predefined words in Java which is used to perform a specific task. There are 50 plus keywords in Java. In Java, words are represented by lowercase like int, string, double, float, these kind of things. Here you have to see that example: int, boolean, character, double. The keywords have some rule. Identifiers in Java. The name of the component is known as an identifier. Example. Suppose we have one example. Here we have one example. Class test. Inside of test, we have a int, number, string, name. Here the int number is considered as identifier and the string name is considered as a identifier. In this example, you can understand the identifier is whatever the name you have provide to your variable, your object is considered as an identifier to even though your method name is considered as an identifier. Rules of identifiers. Identifiers shouldn't start with number. Identifiers shouldn't contain a special character, expect dollar and underscore. Special space is not allowed in identifier, and keywords shouldn't use identifier. Suppose let's we have one example here. The first name is the right way to write. A hello underscore here is also the right way to write, and the A is also the right way. A max value is also right way, and the username is also right way. But the thing is, if you write as a first letter is a number, and then you have write alphabetic, it's wrong. A compiler give you the error. And if you're typing like hello here, dash here is also the wrong way, and compiler give you the error. And the class, if you use the keyword as identifier, then you will get the error as well. If you're using the for, here also the for is also the keyword. If you use that as identifier, you will get the error. Literals in Java. A data used in a Java program is known as a literal. Types of literal: primitive data or literal, or non-primitive data or literal. They have three types of primitive data or literal: number literal, character literal, and boolean literal. In the non-primitive, we have a string and object reference. Let's talk about the primitive data or literal. We have in the primitive data literal, we have a number. If the number is identified as an integer or double or log, is considered as a number type data. Example: int 123 double 3.14. Boolean. Boolean is a logical data which is represented as true and false. Is considered as a Boolean type data. Character. Anything written inside a single code is considered as a character type data. Example: A B. Let's talk about the non-primitive data or literal. Let's suppose you have a, a string and the object reference are considered as a non-primitive data. A string and anything written inside the double code is considered as a string type data. A length of the string can be anything, any numbers. And that's it. We covered all the tokens in Java, keyword, identifiers, and literals. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you found this video useful, smash the like button, subscribe to Smart Education Tech, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more awesome programming content. Drop a comment below with any questions or topic you'd like to me to cover next. See you in the next video. Happy coding.